Hello guys, welcome back to Guitar Tips, and in this video we're gonna talk about how to fix Evil Dead the game can't join the game connection error and how we can fix this up. So let's dive into the workarounds. So if you're for the first time to our channel, then don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. So let's move to the one by one steps one by one. So the first one is all about you have to check the server status. That is, it's the most important thing. So the server's status can be noticed from here itself, like officially, if you navigate your Twitter account and all those things, you'll be getting a complete idea if they are going through any kind of server issues and all those things. You'll be getting updated over here. So this is what it's meant by check the server status, and that's what you have to do. And you know that this is not in your end by an end, because this is all depends on the servers. It's completely on their hands, so we just have to wait for it. Moving to the next one is all about you have to update the game. So it is also a quite important step. So you just have to do the necessary update. So most probably you'll be getting the updates. We just have to go for it. And sometimes, by updating, most issues has to be fixed. So that is what you have to do. So moving to the next one, apart from this is all about we have to verify integrity of game files. So in verify integrity of game files is also very important. So here guys, as you can see, verify integrity of game files is also an important step. So it's like, when you do this step, what happens is it fix the corrupted files. If any kind of files are missing, it will be completely fixing this up. So this is also very important when it comes to the game. So as you can see, I have shown in many of the videos how you can do this for the Steam. So here in the Epic Games, what you have to do is just have to go over here in the library. Now from here you have to check which all the games you're having. So you'll be getting in a third three dot menu over here, right? So you just have to click on this one, and there is an option called verify. So you just have to go for verify so that it will get completely verified. Now as you can see, initialize, so it will be completed. So if any files are missing or it's corrupted, this will be completely fixed. So this is the step which you have to try out. And also you have to make sure that your internet connection is working good. Right now, as you can see, it is connected to the Wi-Fi. So it is very important that you should be having a good internet connection, or else you'll be having the trouble. So this is also quite important. So simultaneously you have to make important of this. Moving to the next one is all about you have to perform a clean boot. So if you ask me a question on how to perform a clean boot, you just have to follow the instruction. So what do you have to just have to press Windows and R key all together. So you'll be getting an option called MS config over here, or else if you don't have, you just have to go for it and go for OK. Now this will take you to this, and you just have to navigate to service. When you navigate to service, what you have to do is, as you can see, there will be many options like this. So here there is an option called hide all Microsoft Store. So you just have to go for it and just go for disable. Once you're done with the disable, what you have to do is just have to close this, and you just have to navigate to task manager. From here in the task manager, as you can see, there is an option called startup. Right now, as you can see, there are many options, enabled options, so you just have to go one by one. So from here, as you can see, you just have to disable the unwanted things. You just have to disable the unwanted things. And once it is done, you just have to close this, and you just have to go back to the Epic Games launcher, and you have to go to your store, and you have to open the game. So this is what you have to do, and from here most probably the issue regarding this will be completely fixed. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.